celebrate, Thunderbirds, and welcome to the November 2021 Virtual Awards Assembly. November awards are presented for academics and our character trait, responsibility. At Willmore, responsibility means finishing what you start, coming to school every day on time, making good choices, and completing all work in class and at home. Preschool through kinder awards and academics are awarded to Raul Roman, Amelie Perez, Linda Pineda, Benjamin Tapia, Isla Shearer, Oliver Salazar, and Vin Dangle. Preschool through kinder awards and character are awarded to Leah Gonzalez, Olivia Gogo, Caleb Camarena, Olivia Rivera, Vincent Gamning, Mateo Areola, and Jaylene Lee. First through second grade awards and academics go to Nicholas Rios, Olivia Wheeler, Maya Garcia, Christian Shepherd, Kumari Ginata, Victoria Pedraza Mejia, Kaylee Dung, Asher Cantijas. First through second grade awards and character awarded to Natalie Cueva, Leonardo Muñoz, Reese Staub, Angeli Hernandez, Carmine Lim, Jordan Salgado, Joel Flores, and Elijah Perez. Third through fifth grade awards in academics are awarded to Lincoln Ensley, Vanessa Cassini, Katina Cow, Eva Dopp, Alvin Dang, Jennifer Nguyen, Raquel Salazar, Christian Campos, Gael Ayala, Mary Jane Algredo, and Brisa Delgado Alvarez. Third through fifth grade awards and character awarded to Gael Gutierrez, Emily Nguyen, Casey Aldon, Dana Velasquez, Lionel Bernassi, Abril Sanchez, Isaac Sanchez, Efrain Garcia, Soraya Montes, Oliver Roberts, and Katie or Kathy Ho. Thunderbirds, we're celebrating November birthdays.
Happy
Birthday
to you.
Feliz
Cumpleaños.
Happy
birthday
To
to
que
la
Feliz.
and many more.
y muchos más.
We nailed it.
Happy birthday to Melanie Rosette, Isabel Ramirez, Tien Tran, Nicholas Shepard, Matthew Cualquete, Nelia Guidos, Aiden Gaitan, Kenzie Chavez, Judah Gallio, Olivia Osterlin, Raylee Monroy, Luna Magana, Alia Reynoso, Jose de la Cruz, Ni Nguyen, and Caleb Camarena. Thank you for joining us. Until next month, when our character trait is gratitude. And remember, Thunderbirds, in the world where you can be anything, let's choose to be kind.